Do you have a family member or a close friend that's been diagnosed with Down syndrome? Have you tried to find a life insurance for them just to be turned down or said no? Hi, my name is Janeta Gechev and I'm the founder of One Stop Life Insurance, where we specialize in helping families finding the protection they need. We've talked to so many families that reached out to us asking what are their options to secure life insurance for someone with Down syndrome. So we've decided to create this guide. Before we take it down further, we want to point out that this pertains for someone over the age of 18, an adult. If you want to secure a life insurance policy for your child, we've created a separate post for that you can head out to our website, and then we will outline the options for life insurance for someone with Down syndrome under the age of 18. Okay, so what are the options to find coverage? Well, that will really depend on the severity of the condition. We break it down into three main categories. First, very severe. That means with severe intellectual disability. Up into that category, a person that would fall a person that is not able to care for themselves, that it's not able to understand, hold a conversation, or maybe have any other related health complications, heart conditions, overweight, low muscle tone, and etc. So if your family member falls into that category, really the only option for life insurance would be what is called a guaranteed issue life insurance. A guaranteed issue life insurance is just that. It doesn't ask a single health questions, and just about everyone is accepted. But here's the catch. Everyone that is able to make their own decision, that doesn't have any intellectual disability, basically no one to have a power of attorney over them. In our over a decade of practice, we found one company that is able to offer coverage for someone with Down syndrome. The downfall of this option is the way this policy is structured for the first 2 years. It has what it's called a graded benefit or modified benefit. The second category would be for someone that is considered mild to moderate form of Down syndrome. And that will describe a person that is able to hold a conversation, take care of their day-to-day care items like go to the bathroom on their own, feed themselves, dress themselves, things like that. They're able to read and write, basically to qualify to enter into a legal contract. However, they still live at home or they're on some form of disability. So if you have a family member that falls into that category, we've been successful in finding coverage for them. The coverage will start day one. It doesn't have that graded benefit or modified benefit. However, they will need to be able to complete a phone application and a phone interview with the company. They will need to be able to comprehend the questions asked and answer, as well as electronically sign the application. Again, we've been successful in placing coverage for many families with this particular option. And the third case is when we have a mild, very, very mild form of Down syndrome. A person will fall into that category if they live independently, if they're employed and have a very mild intellectual disability. They need to be over 20 years old and also otherwise healthy, meaning no heart conditions, height, weight are within normal guidelines. Basically be able to undergo a complete underwriting process. So there you have it. There are three options of securing life insurance for someone with Down syndrome, and those options would depend on how severe the condition is. If you would like us to take a look at your personal situation, provide you with numbers and assess the situation again, just give us a call. You can either go onto our website, www.onestoplifeinsurance.com, or you can just send us an email at info@onestop-life-insurance. Thank you.